So this is a demo of 6i, showing you what is expected of that assignment. Um, Basically, it's to play the Aces Up solitaire game either by the user, which is when the user clicks on the draw pile here, that means deal 4 cards out to the top of the 4 play piles. Let's have a shuffled game. And the 2 moves available here are to, if you have 2 cards of the same suit, the lower one, if you click on it, goes to the discard pile. And the goal is to get as many cards from the draw pile onto the discard pile as possible. The labels up here give you the counts of each of the piles, and you need to update those. The GUI is all prepared to take them. You just have to fill in appropriate variables. This is all I can do now. Here the 5 is less than the 6, so I can move that over. The 5 of diamonds is less than the queen of diamonds, so I can move that over. Now I have a choice. I can put the 3 of spades in the empty pile, or I can put the 6 of hearts in the empty pile. In terms of playing the game, if I put the 6 of hearts there, then I can click on the 3 of spades and get it to the discard pile, so that's a better move. And we just continue now each time picking a card. Now here's the first place where the game actually has a choice. The other one there was a choice too. Here there are 3 different cards that can move to the empty slot. When you get to 6p, and even in 6i when you have the game doing the play, you have to pick one of these 3 that goes there. In general, you want to get high cards here. In this case, if we move the ace, the queen can go away. We still have a slot. If this were not the case, you might want to do the 8 first because it can go away anyway, and then the ace. I could have put the jack as well, but now the queen can go away and the jack can go there. So, and that's user play, and we just continue until the end. In 6i, you also have the program making the plays, but without in advance building the tree. So if we want to replay this same game, and now I click move, your program has to make a decision. Well, there's no decision here. The only move is to deal the 4 cards. And then if I click move again, your program has to look with these 4 cards, what possibilities are there, and pick one. In this case, there is only one, so it picks it. Now there's only one, which is to deal the next cards. And now there's only one here, the 5 of hearts. There's only one here, the 5 of diamonds. And here we have 2 choices, and your program simply has to pick one. In order to be consistent, so that we play the same game, the rule should be that you look from left to right, and as soon as you find a move, you do it. So that means the 3 of spades should move, which of course isn't as good a move as you move the 6 of hearts, but in this mode you don't know. We're not looking ahead, we're just playing a game as best we can. So we deal again. There's only one move here, which is the 4 of clubs. There are no moves there, and so forth. So now, and of course we can go into auto move mode, just as in assignment 5, the Yukon game. So that's your goal for 6i, and I'll make a separate one for 6p.